Hello friends, this is Megha and welcome back to my channel Crazy for Health. We get a lot of packaged instant breakfast mixes in the market that are loaded with harmful ingredients and is also heavy on the pocket. So why don't we make something instantly at home? So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make instant baby cheese uttapams. These are very easy to make and can be made with minimum ingredients. So if you like the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any video with me again. Now let's quickly check out the recipe. First, in a mixing bowl, take 1 cup of Suji. Next, add 1 cup of fresh curd. Next, half teaspoon of baking soda. Salt to taste. Now mix all of this together. Since the batter is too thick now, we'll add half cup of water and mix well. Now let this batter rest for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, add some coriander leaves chopped, some garlic chopped and mix well. The batter is now ready. Now in a pan, take 1 small spoon of batter and spread into a uttapam. Now with the help of some oil, let the uttapams roast on medium flame. Here I have some onions finely chopped, tomato finely chopped, now cover the lid and let the uttapams cook for 1 minute. After 1 minute, flip over the uttapam and let it cook from another side. As you can see, they have turned beautiful brownish in color. Add a little more oil. And slightly press and cook the uttapams till they are done from both the sides. Cover for 30 seconds. Now take off the lid and flip over the uttapam. You can also add grated coconut or any other vegetables that you like. Or even some cheese. As you can see here, I'm adding a little bit of grated cheese on top. And now cover it again till the cheese melts slightly. After 20 to 30 seconds, the uttapams will be ready. And now your beautiful looking, delicious baby cheese uttapam is ready. Serve them with salad and ketchup.